Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my students. In this video, inshallah, we'll talk about the section tag. Okay, the page content within the document body or the main element can be arranged in a section tag. Between the section tag, I can add my contents. Okay, I can arrange my contents using the section, and every section has a main idea, and also he has more article, maybe 2 article or 3 articles, and all of these articles talk about the main idea. This is a section arranged in a section. How to make this section using the HTML code? Okay, let's go to the code now to see. Okay, inside the content. Okay, number one, the content here, and you see with a black color. Okay, add a style here for each one at first, style, and color equal white, for example, yeah, and text alignment, text align equal center. Okay, now refresh the page. Yeah, it's okay now. Now we'll add the first section here. Okay, add a section number one inside the div. It is the div. Okay, h1. After h1, press enter and add the first section. Yeah. Here, I add, for example, here. This section talk about a product, for example. Okay, so I add here subtitle and a subtitle. The title of this section, for example, H2 or H3, it's okay, H3, and right here products. Okay. After H3, I add a first article inside this section. The first article inside this section. Okay, here, right article. It is HT element. Okay. Inside the article, I add the second subtitle and a paragraph to explain the first point in this section, for example. Okay, now add here H4 as a subtitle, and here not right product number one. Okay, for example, this is H4. Okay, then I'll add a paragraph P. Okay, and write some text, a sample for text, any text, or you can use the lorem sample like this. Now explain the product number one in the paragraph inside the first article in the section of products. Okay, display the result now. Here, refresh. Okay, this is the first section about products and the first subtitle inside the section and explanation about the first product. Okay, I want to make now a border for the first section. Here in the section number one, the first section here, I add a style. Okay, the border like the last time. First element here, or the first value here, the border width, for example, 3 pixel. Okay, and solid, for example, yeah, and the color, for example, yellow. Okay, now display the result. Okay, this is the first section with a border. Okay, you can also add a background color for the section. Background color. Yeah, this color, okay. Again, sorry. Yeah. Now refresh. This is the first section inside this contents. Okay, you can change the color to distinguish between the navigation panel and the section. Instead of this color, you can add, yeah. Okay. Now I can add here another section. Okay, another section. Okay, read the code again. Section number 2, and here copy and paste H1 here. Control C. Yeah, Control V. This section talk about, for example, internet. Okay, and here about internet. About internet as a subtitle in this article. Okay, now refresh. It is the second article. Here I repeat, here's the contents. Okay, remove the contents from here. It's the internet. Yeah, remove this one. Yeah, it's okay now. Refresh. Article number 1, article number 2. Okay, or section number 1, sorry, so section number 1 and section number 2. Okay, I want to take space between them. Okay, space between div and another div, or element and another element. From this direction, the property which is responsible for this effect is margin top. Margin top. Okay, now go to the section number 2. I can add here margin top. Okay, here, for example, 20 pixels. That's right. Refresh now. Now I take space between the two sections in my contents. Okay, see you in the next video.